In this demonstration, we are going to cover the drawing function on the AQUOS Board PNC series. Using the drawing function, the entire screen becomes a whiteboard that allows you to draw and take notes. First, select Drawing after powering on the board. There is a function bar at the bottom of the screen. Here you can select pen or paintbrush mode, as well as the color and thickness you would like to use. Select the back arrow to undo the previous drawing or edit. Select the forward arrow to redo an undone action. Please note, this function is only available in pen mode. The Select Object tool can be used to select something you have drawn and edit it. You can move the selection around the board and enlarge or reduce its size. Another drawing option is to select a color from the color pinwheel to get the full spectrum of colors. To add a new page, select the plus icon. You can navigate between pages using the arrows, or you can navigate by displaying all the pages as a list. Select the Pages icon, and they will display on the right side of the display. You can select which page you would like to enlarge, as well as delete pages. When selecting the Erase icon, you have two options. The Object Erase option allows you to outline a drawing and delete it. Please note, this function is only available in pen mode. The Eraser enables you to erase a drawn line. The size of the eraser varies by the area of the screen touched. The final option for erasing is laying your palm flat on the display. When selecting the broom icon, you will delete all content from the sheet you are drawing on. When you select paintbrush mode, you can see that the functions have been limited.